If you are a pharmacist without local license, a biology graduate, or someone stuck in retail, this video will change how you see your career. The pharma industry is a $1.5 trillion machine. It needs researchers, yes, but also people in supply chain, QA and audit, regulatory affairs, sales and access. Project management. It's not just about pills. It's about systems, logistics, people, and strategy. What pharma companies actually do. Most people think pharma companies just make drugs, but the reality is much more complex. They are involved in research and development, manufacturing, regulatory affairs, quality assurance, pharmacovigilance, supply chain, purchasing and logistics, commercial and sales. One company, 100+ roles, endless possibilities. You don't need to work in a lab to build a pharma career. Behind every medicine is a team. Bussiness development logistics, regulatory affairs, sales, compliance, strategy. And most of these roles don't need a pharmacy license. From research to your local pharmacy, every medicine follows a complex journey. Development, approvals, production, QA, logistics, sales, all managed by professionals like you. The pharmaceutical industry is divided into 7 key departments, and most of them don't require you to work in a lab. Each one needs people from different backgrounds, from science to logistics to business. Regulatory affairs, quality assurance, supply chain, pharmacovigilance, sales and market access, R&D support, business development. And beyond these, companies also hire for finance, HR, IT, and legal. So if you come from another industry, you may already be closer than you think. Most people think you need a pharmacy degree, a PhD, or years of experience to work in pharma. But pharma companies hire people like you every single day, even without local licenses or direct experience. A B.Pharm, BSc, MSc, biotechnology, chemistry, or health degree is already a major advantage in pharma. Project managers, QA staff, clinical trial assistants, even logistics experts, all have skills pharma needs. You don't need a pharmaceutical license. You don't need to be a scientist. You need knowledge, positioning, and strategy. If you have a relevant degree or experience, pharma is within reach. What you need is direction, not more school. Let's talk about real jobs, the kind you can apply for today, even without a local license. Here are a few examples. QA Associate Regulatory Affairs Assistant Supply Chain Coordinator, PV Specialist Artwork Reviewer. Most of these roles don't require you to work in a lab or hold a US/Canada pharmaceutical license. Most people don't get hired because they're unqualified. They get rejected because they don't understand the pharma system or how to position themselves. They get rejected because they don't understand the pharma system or how to position themselves. I created a free toolkit that lists 17 real pharma jobs you can apply for, even without a license. Plus, if you're serious about starting a real career, join the waitlist to get early access to the full roadmap when it's released. You don't need more confusion. You need a strategy. This is the roadmap I built after 20 years in pharma, and it's now yours. Download the free toolkit to explore 17 real pharma jobs and get on the waitlist for the full course. Your future in pharma starts with one decision. Download the free pharma toolkit to get started. Link in the description.